Europe on $5 a day? You say? Sounds impossible, right? Think again. Stick with me as we count down the top 10 strategies to travel across Europe for just $5 a day. From bypassing pricey tours to uncovering hidden gems, this is your ultimate guide to stretching every dollar or euro while having the adventure of a lifetime. Are you ready? Let's go! But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Master the art of couchsurfing. Couchsurfing is a game changer for budget travelers. This global community connects travelers with locals who offer their couches or guest rooms for free. Not only do you save money on accommodation, but you also get to make lifelong friends and experience authentic hospitality. Pro tip, be a good guest. Bring small tokens of gratitude like snacks or a postcard from your country, and always respect your host's space. Planning ahead and building a strong profile on the platform increases your chances of landing amazing stays. Number 9. Pack snacks and skip restaurants. Dining out in Europe can eat up your entire budget fast. The solution? Stock up on groceries and cook your own meals. Markets and local grocery stores are your best friends. You can buy fresh baguettes in France, delicious olives in Greece, or even cheese in Italy, all for just a few bucks. Plus, this is a chance to truly savor local flavors at a fraction of the price. Pack durable snacks like nuts or dried fruits for travel days, so those cravings don't force you into overpriced cafes. Number 8. Travel overnight to save on sleep. Kill two birds with one stone by booking overnight buses or trains between destinations. Not only will you cover longer distances for a fraction of the cost of flights, but you'll also save big on accommodation for the night. Double win, right? Platforms like Flixbus offer comfortable overnight rides for as low as a few euros. Pack a travel pillow and blanket to maximize comfort, and you'll wake up refreshed, hopefully in a new city, ready to explore. Number 7. Stick to free and hidden attractions. Many European attractions come with hefty entry fees, but did you know there are often free or cheaper alternatives that are just as stunning? Instead of the Eiffel Tower, enjoy the panoramic views of Paris from Sacré-Cœur for free. Swap pricey gondola rides in Venice for public vaporettos that cost a fraction. Museums in many cities, such as London, are completely free, and don't forget walking tours. They're often donation-based and led by knowledgeable locals. Number 6. Travel light and smart. Budget travelers know that packing light is a must. Not only do you save on baggage fees, but navigating through cobblestone streets and bustling train stations becomes infinitely easier with one backpack. Pack versatile clothing that you can layer, like lightweight jackets or multi-purpose scarves, and choose neutral colors for easier mixing and matching. Roll, don't fold, to save space and avoid wrinkles. Number 5. Hitchhiking and ride sharing. While hitchhiking might seem daunting at first, it's a surprisingly common and viable option in Europe, especially in countries like Germany, Austria, and Eastern Europe. A friendly sign, a big smile, and a bit of patience can often land you a free ride to your next destination. It's not just about saving money, it's a chance to meet locals, hear their stories, and see the countryside from a unique perspective. Always prioritize safety, trust your gut instincts, let someone know your plans, and avoid hitchhiking alone, especially at night. For a more structured alternative, ride-sharing apps like BlaBlaCar are an excellent budget-friendly option. These services connect you with drivers headed to the same destination, and you simply pitch in for gas. It's affordable, safe, and a great way to meet fellow travelers or locals. With a bit of flexibility and an open mind, you can turn transportation into one of the highlights of your trip. Number 4. Maximize free Wi-Fi. Constantly searching for directions, local tips, or trying to stay connected with friends and family while traveling. Avoid those pesky roaming charges by making the most of free Wi-Fi wherever you can. Libraries, cafes, train stations, hotels, and even public squares across Europe often provide Wi-Fi hotspots that are easy to access. Some cities even offer free public Wi-Fi networks you can connect to throughout your visit. Before leaving a Wi-Fi zone, download helpful travel apps like offline maps, translation tools, and budgeting trackers to ensure you're prepared when you're offline. This way, you can stay connected, navigate with ease, and save money without sacrificing convenience. Number 3. Say yes to street food. Want a meal that's affordable, delicious, and packed with local flavor? Street food is your best friend. From creamy gelato in Italy to juicy bratwurst in Germany and freshly made crepes in Paris, Europe is full of budget-friendly street eats that won't disappoint. With just a few euros, you can indulge in incredible, authentic meals that reflect the essence of local culture. The key is to find popular vendors with long lines, as these are often signs of freshness and quality. Plus, street food markets are also a great way to soak up the local vibe, meet people, and experience the true heart of the city. By saying yes to street food, you'll not only save money, but also create unforgettable culinary memories. Number 2. Volunteer your way around Europe. Looking for a way to travel affordably while immersing yourself in unique cultural experiences? Platforms like Workaway, WWOOF, and HelpX connect travelers with volunteering opportunities where you can trade your time and skills for free accommodation and, in many cases, meals too. Picture yourself harvesting grapes on a vineyard in Spain, helping out on an organic farm in Italy, or teaching English in small-town Romania. These programs often require just a few hours of work per day, leaving your afternoons and evenings free to explore the local area, learn about the culture, and even make new friends. It's not just about saving money, it's about creating meaningful connections and having experiences that go beyond typical tourism. Number 1. Find free accommodations with house sitting. What if you could stay in charming European homes for free? Platforms like Trusted Houses Sitters and Nomador allow travelers to connect with homeowners who need reliable sitters for their pets or homes, offering free accommodation in return. Imagine living in a cozy cottage in the French countryside, a modern apartment in Berlin, or a seaside villa on the Spanish coast, all for nothing more than giving a little love to a furry companion or taking care of simple home tasks. House sitting is a win-win. You get to save on accommodation costs while enjoying a more authentic and personal travel experience. To increase your chances of securing bookings, create a strong, trustworthy profile with references and certifications. Not only will you save money, but you'll also experience life like a local in some of Europe's most picturesque locations. There you have it, the top 10 tips to travel Europe with only $5 a day. With creativity, planning, and a bit of adventure, budget travel dreams can become a reality. Which tip are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below or share your own hacks with our community. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and turn on the notification bell. We've got plenty of budget adventures coming your way. Until next time, happy traveling!